Hello Club and Resort Chefs, I'm Lance Cook from Hammock Dunes Club in Palm Coast, Florida. Today we're going to discuss hyperlinks. So a hyperlink is something that you can input into your signature of your email. You can put it on digital brochures, you can put it on a website, but essentially it takes you to another website. So for an example, let's do it into a signature. So if you go to your email, you click on File, go all the way down to Options, click on Mail, and then go to your signature. You'll see I already have a couple in there. So we're going to highlight one just for a size reference, and we're going to copy that into a Word document. From there, we're going to go to a website. And on the website, you can take any image from that website and make it into a hyperlink. So this is the club I work at. So let's go to the bottom of this. And let's say this image right there is what we want. So we're going to do copy image, and then we're going to drop it back into the Word document. And again, we're just trying to get the same size as the other logos that we have in the signature. So that's about the same size. So now we're going to copy it and we're going to put it back into the signature and we're going to paste it. Once it's pasted, now you have to go into and make it a hyperlink. So the best way to do it is to highlight it, right click on it, and then you're going to link it to the website. So the best way to do it is to go back to the website, highlight it, right click on it, and we're going to copy it back into the address bar. And once you paste it, you'll see it has all the proper characters again. So now we're going to click OK. Now, in order to test it, we're going to save it. So we're going to click OK. And then we're going to go back to our email. Essentially, you can see that the link is there. Yes, you can hit the control button and check it out. But just to make sure that it works, let's send it to ourselves. We'll do a test and then see if it works. So you'll see it just came through. So now we're going to click on the email. We're going to go down. And so now when I highlight over this, essentially it's going to take me to that website that I put in as the hyperlink. So if you reply to an applicant via email, they can check out your hyperlinks to find out what you're all about on social media or any other organizations that you're a part of. So let's go down here. This is another example of utilizing hyperlinks on a website. So a lot of websites do this. If you click on one of the logos, it'll take you to their website. It's another way to link information together for ease of access. So have fun with it.